Hello my friend. This video gonna help you create circular staircase within a minute. Here we will use free Sketchup plugin. So let's start. First draw a straight staircase using 100-bit tool. You can download plugin through the link in description. Now create railing on both sides. Make all 30 model in a group. Now select model, then click over truebend plugin icon. Then click over rend string and drag mouse to set angle. Now it's perfectly bent as a circular staircase. If you like my content, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you.